Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
If your 1-year-old is breathing fast, it's important to assess other symptoms. Fast breathing can be normal during play or excitement, but if it's persistent or accompanied by fever, cough, or wheezing, it could indicate a respiratory infection, asthma, or other conditions. Monitor your child closely and consult a pediatrician, especially if they show signs of distress, fatigue, or poor feeding. Keeping a calm environment and ensuring they're hydrated can help, but professional medical advice is crucial for proper diagnosis and treatment.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.